Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got an Indian restaurant, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website for your business using our platform. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you haven't even heard of Marty Sites before. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market very quickly. Indian restaurant. Let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that template. Let's summarize out a few basic details about our Indian restaurant so we can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your restaurant is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the world. I'm going to leave the type of business as restaurants and I'm going to click on continue. And look at that. Marty Site has literally generated a simple website for my Indian restaurants in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they actually look absolutely amazing and delicious. However, I'm sure you've got your own images of all the amazing meals you're serving up in your restaurant. You want to showcase them on your website. You can do that. So, today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be demonstrating how to make some amendments, going through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. Now, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So, let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my street address, my physical location. Awesome. The great thing about that address is when your customers click on it in the top left hand corner, it automatically takes them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Brilliant. Let's head on over to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons for your social media accounts will be visible at the top as well as the bottom so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going. Let's head on over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your business, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of free options over there. Logo's been uploaded. Click on the little pencil. Over here, you can add filters, crop your logo, add frames, decorate it, rotate, and zoom in if necessary. Let's wait for that to re-upload as I've just cropped it to fit into that section a little bit better. Once it's uploaded, you can make it big and smaller, but I don't think that's necessary. That sizing is fantastic, so I'm going to move on. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your Indian restaurants. Maybe these colors don't quite go with your business cards, your menu, your logo, and you want to change it. No color coding necessary. Click on the little paint bucket and go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. Let's check it out. That actually looks really great. I can change it at a later stage if need be. That one works well too. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Let's head on over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely royalty free and free to use. Marty sites will automatically search for Indian restaurant. You can play around with the terms a little bit, just search for Indian food or Indian meal and see what pops up. But I'm liking this image over here, so I'm going to go ahead and select it and see how well it fits into that section. That looks actually really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and save it and leave it. Let's head on over to update content. Now over here you can change the content to suit your needs. Button currently says order online. I don't know if you offer online ordering system. If you don't, let's go ahead and put in view our menu. That button can link to various places. You can link to another website like a third party, if maybe Uber Eats or an online ordering system. Otherwise, an action like click to call, directions, click to email. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to upload my Marty menu over there. So when your customers come to your website, they can browse your menu. I know I'm not the only person that likes to look at menus before they go to restaurants and literally pre decide what I want to eat. Awesome. Let's move on. Over here, again, button can link to various places if you need to update your location. And over here is where you can add your hours, trading hours, so your customers know when they can come enjoy their favorite Indian meals. Go ahead and put all your trading hours over here, save them, and they will be displayed in the section over here. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into this industry. Maybe it's a family run business passed down from generation to generation with all the amazing recipes. Who was it founded by? Put a little bit more details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Now, if you have a custom domain for your restaurants, go ahead and click on connect your domain here. So I already have a domain. If you're struggling, there is a tutorial over on our YouTube channel, by the way, step-by-step guide. Otherwise, you can add Marty Sites as a user and we will set it up for you. If you don't have a new domain yet, maybe you recently launched your business, congratulations on the launch of your business, and you understand that you do need a custom domain to make your website look more professional, your brand, go ahead and click on our Want a New Domain because you can purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. I really hope this tutorial was helpful building a website for your Indian restaurants. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the Marty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a bash.